Hello. You are watching Rahmath English Research Center. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 5. Complete this scenario using modals in the answers. Scenario 2. Teacher, your friend wants advice on studying. What will you say? Student, you should study 2 hours daily. You must not waste time on games. Answer. Scenario 2. Teacher, your friend wants advice on studying. What will you say? Student, you should study 2 hours daily. You must not waste time on games. You can make a study schedule to manage your time better. You might find it helpful to take short breaks during study sessions. You should focus on difficult subjects first. You must complete your homework regularly. You could join a study group for better understanding. You may ask your teacher for extra help if needed. You will see improvements if you stay consistent. You should not leave preparation until the last minute. These responses provide helpful study advice using modals to express suggestions, necessity, and possibilities. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmath English Research Center. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.